How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be looking at the Rhino USA ratcheting strap tie-down kit for ATV. This is a 4-piece kit, and it is good for up to 5,200 plus pounds. So I think it comes in right at 5,208 pounds max braking strength, which is really awesome when you need to tie down your ATVs, UTVs, whatever it is. So inside this Rhino USA kit, you'll receive 4 of each of these products because this is a 4-piece kit. You'll receive 4 heavy-duty ratchets, and these things operate and function really well. They feature a rubber padded handle, which is really nice. There's no sharp edges here to catch your fingers on, as well as the release is rubberized, so trying to get your fingers in there is really comfortable and functional, as you can see. Along with that, you'll receive 4 straps that go inside the ratchet. They all feature, as well as on the ratchet, they feature locking hooks that are spring-loaded. So once you clip it into something, you know it's gonna stay there, which is really, really helpful. Along with that is 4 of these soft straps. These work really well for fitting through loops that the hook won't fit through, or any sort of sharp object. This will take the stress off of those sharp corners, and you can put your hook right into these little loops here and tie down your UTV, your ATV, or your vehicle. The other thing it comes with is Velcro straps so that you can keep your tails on the ratchet strap, the excess, organized and neat. Along with all of that comes the Rhino USA carry bag. This bag is a drawstring bag. It keeps everything and fits everything in here so you can keep it all organized and nice and neat. As far as this kit goes, I've used it in my trailer. I used it to actually tie down my Jeep to the trailer, and I drove all the way from where I lived about 3.5 hours to the desert, and nothing gave. It was super tight when I left, super tight when I got there. And again, this is 5,208 max braking strength. On the ratchet itself, it does give you a maximum load calculation. Gives you working load limit. So the working load limit is always going to be lower than the maximum braking strength, and that's just for a safety factor in these straps. It's a good rule of thumb to stay within that working load range, but as you can see, it is still 5,208 max braking strength. Now this kit, because of its quality, has really helped me out a lot. I mean, I know I can count on it and trust it. It's really, really well put together. Everything from the rubberized hooks to the gates, like I said, rubberized handles, and this little soft strap. Rhino really thought about this product when they put it together for the everyday user when transporting your UTVs or ATVs on a trailer. So when you guys get a chance, go check out Rhino USA. They make a really awesome product, and I can't speak anything negative about this.